We wondered why, despite the quarterly safety training, the accident rate in Korea's chemical laboratory was 11 times higher than in other institutions. Undergraduates using chemistry laboratories are obliged to receive safety training, but experts state that not participating in safety training and having a lack of practical experience are the key issues. Prep labs consist of an application that conducts AR experiments and education through a QR code block and tablet equipped with a virtual situation or reagent information. Our design provides safety education utilizing real spaces and objects. Users can recognize the QR code block attached to the actual laboratory safety equipment as an application and learn how to solve a virtual accident situation. This system enables active educational attitudes of trainees by providing immediate feedback on the user's choices. Pre-test provides pre-testing capabilities. Users can select a region block and recognize it with a QR code to learn the properties of the region and how to handle it. The application also provides information about accidents that can occur when using more than one region. In addition, when the users recognize the QR code and the actual reagent bottle with an application, the application also provides information on how to handle or store the reagent. Our proposed design, Prep Labs, includes instruments and applications that utilize AR technology, making them suitable for safety training and reagent training in real-world chemistry labs. We hope to use this to reduce the accident rate of domestic chemical laboratories.